Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEXO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean when I say 30-minute? If you're not sure, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the rough movement on this one today. Up until today, the price had actually been looking quite strong, and going into today. So just kind of looking at the price or the chart before today's movement, took place. There had been a bounce underway. So I mean, the question at that point became, hey, you have this upwards trend line here that's been established, and going forward, it was a question of, can the price stay up above that trend line? And got the answer today. Price broke down below at that first 30 minutes, and then from there, the price just kind of it did slowly grind its way back downwards. So as far as that bounce is concerned, that was just what we would call in trading terminology a dead cat bounce, because a true bounce is not going to go back to where it started, right? And that's exactly what happened here. The bounce started right around this area, and now the price is sitting right down in that area too. So I'm not saying the price can't bounce again or can't make another good move ever again. I'm just saying as far as this upwards movement is concerned, we got the answer to the question. That was just simply a dead cat bounce as the price has now rolled itself back over. But that's also now what makes a very interesting scenario going forward, going into Friday and the next week. And that is based on this area down here at 208. Why is 208 important and interesting? Well, first off, it's important just from the general kind of story of the chart, because if the price were to go down there and break down through it, well, at that point, that would be putting the price at new lows that haven't been seen for a very long time. And just from a general kind of, like I said, quote unquote story of the price, having something go even lower, not exactly a good sign of strength. But now from just strictly a trading perspective, somebody that maybe doesn't necessarily care about the overall story, but just a trading opportunity, that's a very interesting level, because the last time the price got down around there, well, that was where the nice bounce occurred. Don't get me wrong. I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has bounced off that area before does not mean that if the price goes down to that area, it is for sure 100% guaranteed to bounce again. Would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. But it's at least a logical question to throw out there. Case in point, let's just say the price has never bounced off that 208 mark, and I'm saying, hey, it's looking like it could bounce off 208. You'd be totally justified to say, well, what are you talking about? It's never bounced off that area before. But in this situation, it actually has. So again, is that a guarantee? No. Is it at least a valid, rational thought to have? Absolutely. And if there is any sort of bounce to the upside, keep a close eye on that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see that's essentially right where the price got shoved back downwards. So watch that going forward. But all in all, things are looking a little bit shaky. But from the trading perspective, a potential opportunity here. So we'll see how this one continues to play out both Friday and then next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.